So what is the difference between a Sumi brush and the Western style brush? Well, the Western style brush, which is of course a magnificent creation in its own right, basically will do anything you tell it to. It fundamentally, whatever form it has, it will return to that form. And I'll try to just show that. If I bend it, it returns to that form. It holds its form. It'll hold that form pretty much forever, and therefore it's very reliable, and you can control it, and you can make it do what you want. The Eastern brush, the Sumi brush, is different. It's flexible in a different way. When it bends, it stays bent. However you use it, it changes the shape. I will show what I mean. A Western brush is a reliable result. However I choose to use it, it's fairly repeatable, and I control it, and it will do exactly what I tell it to. The Sumi brush, however, has a mind of its own. When I make the first stroke, the brush has changed shape. And it's that shape I must work with when I make the next stroke, which gives me a lot of interesting possibilities, because having made that first stroke, for example, now I have a very thin point if I want to use it. Or I can use the shape of the brush as part of the actual movement of the painting, or the shape of the stroke. I'll show it even more dramatically with this brush. You can even shape it in advance, how you'd like it to be. And then as soon as I've used it in some way, it's changed shape, and I have to be sensitive to that shape. And it's that changing shape which means that you basically have to develop a relationship to your brush, a relationship to your brush, and be connected to what's going on so that you're aware at all times how it's changing. And this gives a lot of creative possibilities, as we shall see.